So fellas, there's this new but not so new phenomenon when it comes to natural products, but specifically for men. And today I'm going to be sharing with you in a review of one of my new favorites. Today's episode was brought to you by my new book, Why Style Matters, The Mindset of Dressing Well and How It Impacts Your Life. To get your autographed copy, click the link in the description. On today's video, I'm going to be reviewing natural soap brand, Also Dapper Soap. Let's go. What's up, fellas? It's your boy Ihsaan, the StyleJumper, your guide to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release videos where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we release our next video. Guys, I'm so excited to share my point of view on today's product, Also Dapper Soap, by my guy, Mr. Steve Arnold, aka the Dapper Aristocrat. So guys, I had the opportunity to actually interview Steve just a few weeks ago about this amazing brand. So here's a clip.
So the idea came from, I went on vacation with my wife. We took a trip to Orlando and it wasn't that many people there. So we had like the whole pool and jacuzzi to ourselves. There was nobody outside. So it was just us in the pool and we was chilling and I was like, we were talking about entrepreneurship. And I was like, I wonder if I could do that for myself. You know, with me having my own channel or whatever, is there something that I can do or create that I can get people to support it? So I was like, I want to create something that's not too expensive. And I want to create something that people know me for. So they know me from doing reviews on Dr. Squash videos. So I was like, maybe I could do it on soap. And so she was like, oh yeah, you could do it on soap. I actually know somebody that teaches soap classes. So look, I had no idea about what to do to make soap, what was required. So I was like, okay, how do I make soap? So I started watching videos on YouTube. My wife was like, I know somebody that teaches classes on how to make soap. And so I signed up for the class immediately. We still on vacation, same day. I'm like, I'm about to commit to this. So I take the class and she shows me how to make soap. And it was a really good class. A lot of stuff she taught me, I saw in a YouTube video, but I was able to ask more questions and she helped me out a lot. She actually taught me the class and I actually made soap in the class. Okay. And I could bring it home. I got it right here. The soap, the first bar soap I ever made is right here. Like, oh, man. I was able to cut it up and everything. Ever since I looked it up, I've just been like trying to get good at it, like perfect it. So I'm like wanting to make soap like every day. Like I'm trying to be beastly at it. Like I'm trying to have these nice intricate designs and make sure it feels nice. So yeah.
So my guy Steve Arnold, aka the Dapper Aristocrat, decided to put himself to the test with creating his own brand of natural body soap. For me, I'm not a bar soap type of guy. Actually, I probably haven't purchased a bar soap since the early 2000s. Just, you know, getting squishy and wet and all that kind of stuff. And with the advent of body wash, it just really made it simple. So I decided to go that route. But I tell you, I really enjoyed this product. Here's what intrigued me about the product. First of all, my guy, I'm going to support my guy becoming an entrepreneur and creating his own product. Number two, the product has no harsh or harmful chemicals that are going to really impact your body in a negative way. And number three, I love the names of the products. So today I had to dress up a little nautical because my boy Steve came up with some amazing names. I'm talking about Shipmate, the Mariner, Man Cave, and the one I'm super excited to try, the Old Fashioned. So today's product I'm actually reviewing is the Shipmate. The Shipmate has notes of lavender, tonka bean, vanilla, mint, bergamot, cinnamon, cedar, and sandalwood. The scent is pretty light. I would also say that the lather is absolutely a 5 out of 5. I really love the way that it sets up for me. It's zero grit, so it's not going to give you that exfoliating feel. I also love the design, guys. You know, this one had, you know, like a turquoise tone mixed with some earth tones. So I really like that vibe. The design of the bar soap may differ from previous designs just because he's doing this by hand. Two things, guys, I'm sure you're aware of. Don't leave it in water, and I highly recommend a soap saver so you can preserve your bar soap. So here's my overall perspective. I love the lather of the soap. It really suds up really well. Also, I love the names, and at the end of the day, I felt super squeaky clean, which is really important. And one of the things that I would like to see on my next batch would be a little more scent. I would love to smell it a bit more, but overall, it's a great choice, and I will actually be using bar soaps again, just because it's my guy's brand. If you want to see what I'm wearing on a day-to-day basis, check out my Instagram. There you'll find a ton of looks or maybe some inspiration. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments below. And if you like this content, fellas, share with your stylish friends. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And fellas, look, hey, I had to switch it up, and I'm thinking you might enjoy this switch up too. Try this brand Also Dapper soap, a natural product by my guy, Steve Arnold, aka the Dapper Aristocrat, and I'll see you on the next one.